Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can find the long-eared owl in Heartopia. So you'll need to be bird watching level 6, and I am just going to use the bird whistle as well as the bush because if you get 5 stars on this bird picture, you can get 1,000 gold coins. And it spawns here, by the way, when it's rainbow and sunny all day. So it doesn't have to be rainbow, I guess, but I'm trying to get up there. It's very difficult. I'll be right back once I get up there. Okay, so thankfully it moved because I can't get up there, so I'm going to use everything again. That's fine. And I'm going to get close to the owl, like so. And yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.